In colleges, we talk a lot about performance, grades, and success, but very rarely about how people are actually feeling. I've seen students hesitate to ask for help because they're afraid of being judged. I've seen teachers and counselors support everyone else while quietly burning out themselves. What stood out to me was this gap. Support exists, but it's often hard to access, uncomfortable to use, or not private enough. That's why I built Sukrit. Sukrit is a privacy first mental wellness platform designed for academic communities where support is accessible, stigma free, and built on understanding, not surveillance. Let me show you how it works. This is the first where our institute is already registered. Let me log into it. So these are the credentials using which it was registered. Yeah, so this is the first page, like the students page, where we can add all the students here. We can upload a CSV file or we can enter the details manually. Then in this page, we can register all the teachers and the psychologists, and their login ID will be generated, which will be used to log into their portal. Let me log into the students page. So this is the students page. Now let me also get into the psychologist page. I'll log in here using the credentials of the psychologist which were generated. Yeah, so this is the psychologist dashboard. So in the students page, as we can see, it has a feature of UI color changing depending on the student's current mood. This is according to the color and mood psychology. And then comes the chatting with counselor option. Like I have logged into the counselor there, and we can see the counselors who are active here. So if I text hi, I need help, it will be reflected in the counselor's page as anonymous. This shows that the student's identity remains private. The other thing that I can do here is I can see the seriousness of the issue of the student. I can mark how deep it is and the type of issue that he is having. Like here I mark it as depression. Then in the wellness analytics tab, we can see in a graphical way about all the data of everyone and how they are feeling. And this support isn't limited to students alone. Teachers and even counselors themselves can access similar features and communicate anonymously because caretakers also need care. Sukrit isn't just a platform, it's a step towards making mental wellness accessible, private, and stigma free in academic spaces. Because when people feel understood, they just don't perform better, they live better. Thank you.